Well, hello YouTube, how you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Today I have a quick video for you, how to replace your ribbon cable on a MacBook Air. What's happening with this unit is that when I press the power button, it's not turning on. Even when it's plugged in, it will not turn on. So you press the power button, nothing happens. You plug it in, you get a solid green light. This is about the third or fourth unit that I think it should be a fourth unit that I've received that has this issue, and it looks like it's the ribbon cable. So I went ahead and I ordered the ribbon cable. This issue exists on the MacBook Air and also in the MacBook Pro right now. I think it's a 2013. Saving the same issue, but on that one you have to replace the keyboard. On the MacBook Air, replacing the ribbon cable seems to fix the problem. So you press the power button and you get a black screen. You plug in your charger, you still get a black screen. The only way to turn it on is if you open the unit and you unplug the battery and then turn it on and then plug in the charger, and that seems to be the only way to turn it on. But then I don't want to be opening up the unit to turn it on all the time. I don't want to be opening up the bottom of the unit just to turn it on, so I'm going to replace the ribbon cable. Okay, so I have taken off most of the screws, so this should be a pretty quick video. 10 screws on the bottom of this MacBook Air. It's model number A1466. And there's only 2 screws remaining. The battery has 5 screws. I've taken out most of the screws on there as well. So you're gonna take off the bottom screws here. And you have the right tools. It's so much easier. Alright, so after that, take off the cover. Alright, and then flip your MacBook. First things first, as soon as you get in, you want to, guess what, disconnect the battery. Make sure the unit does not have power while you're working on it, right? You don't want to short out your logic board. So disconnect your battery from the logic board. On this particular model number, the battery connector is on, depending on how you're holding it. Right now it's on the left side. So look for the battery connector and disconnect it, and then go to the battery and take out the screws that hold the battery. So I've taken out most of them. There's only one left. Should be able to just lift that up. Okay. So put the screws in a safe place somewhere. Put the battery close to you, son. And then grab your. I ordered this from Amazon. I think I paid 23 bucks for this little cable. It's cheaper than the battery, thank God. Okay, so to take out the old ribbon cable, ribbon cable, all you need to do is look for, there's a little clip that holds this cable in place. Put it in your finger, flip it up, your cable should come loose. Do the same thing for the other side. That plugs into your trackpad. Your finger, push it up a little bit and the cable is loose. Now grab your new cable and installation is just a reverse. Plug it in and then flip the plastic down. Don't force it in, just goes in this way, and then just flip that down, and then on this side slide it in, and then flip that plastic down. And that's all you gotta do. And then grab your battery. Lay your battery down. You can plug in your battery, it's fine. I'm not gonna put on all the screws right now. I just want to test, make sure that changing that cable fix the issue. Okay, so I'm going to just put in one screw in the middle screw, just to hold the battery in place while I test the MacBook. Okay. Alright. So the battery is plugged in. Cable plugged in. Flip the MacBook Air. Open it up. Press power. That was the cable, then it should turn off. If it wasn't, alright, maybe give it a few seconds. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. So it is the cable, we had a bed ribbon cable, and again the model number for this is MacBook Air model number A1466. Ribbon cable change, and that's it. Well, I hope you found this beneficial. If you found this beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.